get a day start. If we look at the provision of the Constitution, we will find that this resolution is in pursuance of the provision in Article 312. According to sub-article 2 of the same article, we have now the Indian Administrative Service and the Indian Police Service, which according to the sub-article are deemed to have been created by Parliament. Earlier also we decided to create some other all India services. The reasons for the creation of these services have been given by the Honorable Minister, and I entirely agree to them. One other aspect of this question I want to place before this House, and that is that the scale of pay and the prospects in the All India services will be better than those in the state services, that there will be a wider field of selection, and that the conditions of service and the scale of pay will attract better persons. We know that quite a large number of our young men, doctors, engineers, etc., are still outside the country. Thought they are keen to come and serve the country. The service conditions in the state services are not such as to attract them. I hope and trust that our young engineers and others who are abroad will be attracted to come back to our country and serve it in view of the better prospects. I think that the object of creating an all India service is to supplement and not to supplant the state services. I mean to say that there will still be the state education service, although we are going to have an all India education service also. I know how the states are dealing with it. I know about the state of Uttar Pradesh. As far as education is concerned, we have got a state education service and also a subordinate education service. In the state service, there is class 1 and class 2. There is no direct recruitment to class 1 services generally. Therefore, when we are going to create an all India service, I think the first question which will come up before the government will be as to which of the personnel of the state services are fit enough to be absorbed in the All India service. I find that the Honorable Minister had suggested that there might be a proportion of 33% reserved for promotion.